Ah. I hope this voice thing works. Talks. Yeah. Ooh, let me turn that off. There we go. So what I'm doing is I'm saving up all my keys and my coins so I can upgrade all the power-ups and stuff. And by the end, by the time I reach level 30, I'm gonna outmax everything. And I'm gonna try to reach my high score. So yeah, because my high score is really hard to beat. This lag is bad. Nope, no good. I don't even know how that happened. Sneezed, my bad, guys. This is really hard with the lag. I'm dealing with it though, guys. We'll deal with it. We ain't got no worries. We're getting there. Yeah, by the way, I got a new phone, so none of the stuff that I unlocked before is the same.
Someone's here for you. I don't know. They're in the truck.
Chris.
Yes, ma'am.
You can't choose who sits next to you. But at least you can choose two of your favorites from McDonald's McPick 2 menu. Pick any two for just $3 on the everyday McPick 2 menu. Choose a double cheeseburger, 6-piece chicken McNuggets, medium fries, and more.
Oh, she texted me today and said, we'll be here by 9:30 if you're coming. Oh, well, yeah, bye. So she won't be included in tomorrow's plan. Oh. Keep coming. You what, Mom? About 3 or 4 hours, and I said they can come back by then. What? I know.
Okay, I'm back. See ya. It is. Wait, what?
Yeah, it's in the Xbox.
Okay, well, that's there. Turn it off. Actually, no, I'm gonna probably play music on YouTube. Sorry, guys, for but I have to end this video at 14 minutes because so I can do my outro and stuff. Because, you know, I told you how I can't upload videos under 15 minutes. Well, over 15 minutes. Because it don't let me. So, yeah. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Double some of that up.
Hundreds of dishes, a variety of restaurants, all for free.
Okay, guys, I think
Cooking Fever. Play now.
Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna end here. So, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Smack it right in the face. And see ya.